guys. Today, I just want to show you guys. I was just bored, but okay, we're still going to fucking play. Alright, let's see. FIFA 14 demo. So I'm trying to play 2 games, and then that's it. Yeah, comment on this. If I get 10,000 likes, I'll make more videos of FIFA 15, FIFA 16, and whoever gives me the most likes, whoever got mad in Mobile 16, I'll send them a like and give me a friend. I'll friend request them and then give them a gift. Alright. Let's see what you guys are made of. Alright. As you can see, I'm the green. Like, I'll show you. Let's do this. Sorry, my camera's kind of bad. Right.
My cousin said that.
We're starting. Kill it. I can't even see. I'm looking through my mirror thing. Kill it. I'm kind of like Woody right now. Kill it, dude. Kill it. This is practice. Alright. Look at me. Franklin, I'm coming after you. Franklin, wherever you are, I know you're at your house or whatever, but I'm still betting you remember that, Franklin.
Fuck you, Franklin.
And all your FIFA fans, I want to face these guys online. Comment at it and I'll face these guys.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna fucking do this shit. Right now, right fast. Bro, yeah, shit. Alright. We're starting. Franklin, I'm better than you. They missed that.
I'm winning. I'm a nickel really don't.
Go! I'm a beast.
Individual skill there, that really is brilliant football. This might give us a better look at that, Andy.
I got one of your shoes. Look it, I got one of your shoes.
He really does get stuck in, doesn't he? Never loses a tackle. Brilliant work, Ivy. You have to have this sort of player in every team. To fight for possession.
I
guys are enjoying.
Always danger when he gets into shooting range. What can he do here?
I'm kinda good at this game. And Franklin, I'm bad. Franklin, I'm kinda good too for you, right? I got good defense, but
Possibilities here. Hit the ball. It's him again.
He scored
In the
a
right
goal.
place at the right
What?
time. Two to
He
his name
scored
already.
a
Haven't been
goal.
looking for more yet. Funny the ball that Nick called confidence
He
was.
got this
Now they've got it. They look fabulous. They're in great form here. Other angle here, Andy. Different view.
He's about to go that way.
Putting themselves in a very good position. 3 down the score.
I'll make a bet with all you guys. If I score when I get this ball, you have to do 10 push-ups.
Who keeps doing that, Los? You seen this charger again? I was in the bathroom. Now the wire's missing the plugs and
Hey, use my mom.
it's her. It's her.
I miss. So I do 20 push-ups. No, I do 10. So I'm gonna pause the show, and then I'll do 10 push-ups for all you guys. Papa, record me. Record me.
Alright.
Record me. Record me the other way. Like that. Recording, alright?
Right.
For all you guys, I'm gonna do 10 push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Alright. How about now back to FIFA. I paused it. No. I paused it. Alright, back to FIFA.
Townsend. Chance here.
They act like they was gonna score. No, fuck! This is fucking stupid. Yeah, my goal is too fucking good. Fuck all y'all niggas.
Saw that developing. Didn't he stop the
No!
attacking source?
What the fuck? Oh, I got the fucking ball back. I got the fucking ball back. Oh, Kevin. Go! I told you guys, I'm a freaking beast. Franklin, I impressed you today. Yeah.
Clear breathing space now. They've taken a real hold of this game. And I don't think they're
I'm
about
freaking
to
good.
go. Do you, Andy? Well, before, Clyde.
This is an online person that I'm facing. He freaking sucks.
So that makes it 4-0.
Well, he's good, but he sucks to me.
Play was fouled. England free kick.
I followed him by accident, so he got a free cook.
No delay. This is Wayne Rooney. Real chance.
No, oh my god.
In here. Onto the ball and won it cleanly.
This is fucking brokish. I fucking hate this dumbass shit, yo.
With interception, he can win the ball in midfield like that.
That's me, I'm the Irish team, I'm winning.
To shoot.
Oh, I missed. Huh. Wait, what's the score?
But that wasn't a bad
It's 4-0. I'm winning. See? Look at the score. 4-0. I hope you guys like this video. I'll probably end it right now. The video, I'll probably end it. So, if I do, if it shuts off on me, the video, then have a good day. I hope you guys like this video. And support this team. Alright, this is halftime. Alright. If my tablet, because I'm using an iPad, so hope a lot of people watch this.